Welcome to day, I think 140, I'm not sure exactly. I need to make a quick video today because tomorrow this week is a huge week because I start my internship. So I need to pack and stuff, but I still need to make my video. So today, let's just set up return statements. So let's do that. Inner object, let's make type return object. Actually, it's return value, which should have a value. Object. So, wait, what? Struct. Return value object. Let's add that here. So, return, bro, Ghosty, what are you doing to me? Return value, return value object. So this should be return value. So we need to implement two things to satisfy our object interface, which is type and inspect. So func rv return, let's call this type, what is it? Object type return rv dot value, actually return that should, yeah. Let's do inspect rv dot value inspect. So that should be fine. Wait, actually, this should be what it is. What's wrong? Oh, it's because this should return, what should return? A string. Okay, so it's a bit recursive-ish because, not recursive necessarily, but it will, because this is gonna hold another type of object. It's probably gonna hold like a Boolean object or a integer object, because it's gonna be like, for example, like return 5. That's an integer object, but that's also an expression too, right? 5 times 5. So we evaluate, then return that. So stuff like that. So we set that up. So let's write some test cases. Test null object. Let's do test return statements. T testing T. So actually it should be similar to like this. So let's just yank this. Changing B. Expected should be an int 64. So we have one here. Return 10. Let's do return 10, 9. Should return 10, right? Yeah. This is a weird test case, but we have to make sure it returns the next thing, you know. Return 2 times 5. And then a 9. So this should be still 10. So let's see here, this should be 9, return 2 times 5. Still should return 10. Test integer object. Good. It's not done yet though, so we need to go to evaluator, eval statements. We're actually gonna change this to we're gonna change eval statements to eval program, because it makes our lives easier, because we're gonna include return statements here. If return value from results object return value is if okay, then enter the if statement. Return value dot value. Oh god. So that should be fine. Then return result. So it should still fail though, because in our program it will return 1. We have nested if statements. You can't unwrap the value of object of return on first set. We need to further keep the track of it so we can stop the execution in the outermost block statement. Okay. Okay, so in our here, let's add case ast dot program return eval program, which is the current node. Oh my god. Right. Did I miss a step? I think I missed a step here. I need to also add let's also add this here. So which is ast.return statement. We'll do this. So val of eval node dot return value, and not this. Then return with the val, let's return the object dot return value. Value is val. Okay. Very nice. I think, dude, is that true? We're gonna call it eval program. I probably need to get a linter. I don't know why exactly it's crying. Okay, I need to do eval block statement. Eval, let's do func eval block statement block ast.block statement object. So var result object dot. It's kind of the same as this one. Nope. Where is this? This one. It's pretty similar to this. Or yanking B. This one. Let's copy this. Let's see. I think it should be called block dot statements. Holy shit. Alright, so wait. Now we need to change this statement here. So if result does not equal nil and result dot type equals object dot return object return result. Yes. Wait, so let's add this to our case. Why is this crying? I don't know why. Oh, do we already have that? Oh, that's why I already have that. Okay. Eval block statement. Block statement, this is gonna have a different one. Eval block. Let's see what happens. It might break, to be honest. Okay. Seems like it passes. Anyways, that's good enough for today. Tomorrow we'll do error handling. So, yeah. It's a good place to stop. Hopefully I'll have time to do it tomorrow because I have a flight that comes pretty late. So, I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll do it in the airport or something. But, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Peace.